Oh my goodness. Are you dressed up?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. What did you dress up as? What are you wearing? Are you wearing a costume?
Like Marlena.
Like Marlena.
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Hey, Elisa. How are you?
Happy.
Oh my goodness. All my chefs are here. This is so exciting. Hi, guys. Like so. So you can see my apple slice is on top like that. So you have a little bit of peanut butter on the edge. We're going to put it just like that. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. And then once you have that, show me. Show me to the camera. Beautiful. Rafa, what do you have?
For a second, teacher.
Okay, I'll wait a second. Carla, what do you have? Show me what you made so far.
Like this?
Bring it closer to the camera. Very good. Okay, good. Very good. So we want a little bit of peanut butter because our peanut butter is going to be our glue for our nuts. So I'm going to take my peanuts. I'm going to stick it on like so. Yeah, something that looks like that.
Or
Okay.
ask her.
Can I use almonds?
Can I use almonds?
Of course you can use almonds. You can use whatever nut you want to use.
Can I do this?
Bring it closer.
Beautiful.
Like this?
Oh, yummy. Now, we have our orange. Show me your orange.
Yes. Orange.
Orange. And what color is it? What color is our orange? Or mandarin?
Orange.
Our orange is orange. And what about our pineapple?
Yellow.
No.
Yellow. Pineapple is yellow. Show me your yellow pineapple.
Pineapple. Yellow, bueno, sí.
Use mangoes.
I'm going to the juice mango.
Oh, yum. That's a better choice. Okay, so we have orange and mango or pineapple. Rafa, you have your pineapple?
Yes. Pineapple.
Yes.
And
Yes.
yes.
Yes, you have it all. And then do you have your candy corn or your candy for the top?
Only this ice.
Oh, that's going to be good too. I'm going to use honey because I couldn't find candy corn.
And 2 eyes. And 2 eyes.
And how do we call gomitas? Do you remember? What do you say gomitas in English? How do you say gomitas in English?
We don't know.
We don't know.
Don't know. You don't remember? Gummies.
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 Gummy.
Gummies.
Gum. Do you remember?
Orange.
And
Yellow.
very good. And what do we call this? Do you guys remember the name for this container?
Glass.
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 Very good. Awesome.
And then
Now-
the tree.
Yep. And then
5 spooky skeletons on a dark, dark night, sleeping quietly. Oh, what a sight. Out came the moon, and what do you think? Up jumped the skeletons as quick as a wink.